loves everything. All night, all night, oh, every night. Come on, Dad, sing along.
Don't you come eat them cookies?
Oh, tight, Dad. Oh, any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. Sing, Mom. Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. Let's go see Wendell. Wendell! Hey! What you doing? Merry Christmas. I love you. Mwah. Ew! What are you playing with?
Power Rangers.
You guys, these are legit, real, original Power Rangers. Like, these weren't just made. Like, these are crazy cool. The pink one's my favorite. All right. Bye. Wendell, are you ready? We're going to make our thing. We're going to build the Ferris wheel. Oh, crap. Me and Wendell are going to build a Ferris wheel. Wendell, you ready to build our Ferris wheel? Look at all these presents. Oh, my gosh. What's that thing? What's that thing?
Chicken nugget.
You're silly.
You're gonna have to eat his waffle first.
Time to eat a waffle.
Wait, I was wondering if I could get biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
Where's the remote?
Oh, you want to build the Ferris wheel?
No thanks.
Why not?
Because I want...
Cassandra, you want to build it with me? She's got a cool record player. You don't want to build it either?
I said in a minute.
All of these presents ripped up everywhere.
Talk to your mom about biscuits and gravy.
Come on, Mom, make biscuits and gravy.
Vacation.
What?
Today's vacation.
Just got to come back.
Today's vacation. Yeah, you just went to Florida.
Vacation.
Turn Dad into a Statue of Liberty.
For some reason, no one wants to help me build the Ferris wheel. It's Wendell's present, not mine, and he doesn't want to do it. Cassandra got a record player. She's in there playing the music. She don't want to help. Mom says she's on vacation. She won't even make us biscuits and gravy. And Dad just wants to watch TV. So it's just me by myself building this thing. And you know what? It's going to be so cool. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just be it. There's so much Christmas stuff.
Cut!
Huh?
Cut!
Cut. Hey, Wendell, tell us a joke. Tell us a good joke.
Why aren't dogs allowed to be in the parade?
Why aren't dogs allowed to be in the parade? Why?
Because they'll play catch the baton. Play fetch the baton.
Hey, that's kind of funny. They'll play catch the baton.
It's
They'll
true.
be chasing the people that have batons. That's why they're not allowed in the parade. Wendell, I'm going to teach you how to get online and we're going to look up jokes. One day you're going to be a famous comedian and we're going to laugh because your jokes when you were a kid. Man, I remember making one of these whenever I was in middle school, and I made a roller coaster and I used it for my science fair project, like kinetic energy and stuff, and I got first place. But look how intricate these are. Like, this is step 1. It uses all those pieces right there and you have to put them together. This is going to be pretty intense. Let's see how many pages it is. A lot. I don't know. 14 pages.
Faster! Faster!
We will look at the progress. Step 1. Cassandra, you want to come help me? What? You gonna come help me? Nobody wants to do this with me. Dad, do you want to build it? Why am I all alone? Wendell, dance. Oh, okay. You're crazy. doing? Alright, I'm getting back to work. Check it out. I'm almost done. Oh, never mind. I think I have like a whole nother thing. Okay, I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Alright, last piece of step 1. Oh crap, no. Dang, I did it the wrong way. How do I get that out? Ow! Freaking hurt my finger breaking the heel or something. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's gotta go up, I think. Yeah, it's gotta come this way for the red thing. See, there we go. This little green one goes in here. Attach it. And last piece. Last piece. Yeah. Mom! Look, I did step 1. It took me that long to build this. It took a long time.
It's like building the Ferris wheel.
I know, it's like building the real Ferris wheel. Wendell, look, I built the first part.
Cool.
You want to help me?
Nah.
Why not?
So I'm playing on my Power Ranger.
Oh. Nobody's interested in my Ferris wheel. Huh? Yeah. Dad. Look, I built the first step. It took a long time. I think it'll take me like a week to build this thing.